I accidentally forgot to say something when I did my first take, but this is a quick update on Void Linux on the MacBook, the 2014 MacBook Pro. So somebody asked if the Bluetooth worked, and the Bluetooth driver is built into the kernel. So all you have to do is install the package BlueZ, and then enable the service Bluetooth D. Log out and in. I don't even think you have to log out and in. I think it'll just work. And that's your backend for Bluetooth. So if you want to do everything from a CLI, that'll work. But what I do for XFCE is I have this little icon up here called Blue Man, and it opens up a little Bluetooth menu, and you can search and add devices with a GUI interface. So the other one though is I didn't realize. I was like, oh, I've been using X11 and that's pretty easy, but what about Wayland? Will Wayland work? And so I installed the KDE5 package and the KDE5 base apps package. And what that did, I just logged into it. Suspend works, open works, but the one thing you're gonna have to check is that elognd is enabled. And for whatever reason on my MacBook, I already had elognd. But if you don't, and install that and enable the service, and it should just work. But I think if you installed the XFCE version of Void, it's already installed. But if you're doing this from a minimal installation where you just have TTY, you want to install KDE5 and KDE5 base apps. And what that'll do is for your Bluetooth, it'll come up with the Bluetooth icon. It's got the network manager built in, so you can use your Wi-Fi and all that. Just remember, if you haven't seen my other video, that you build the DKMS module, and I have a link to that on my GitHub, which I'll link down here. But Wayland seems to work just fine. I was able to launch applications in KDE, and everything just worked. But I'll do more testing later and see if most things work. But that's about it. Thanks.